Hello, you are welcome. My name is Jackson, and you're welcome to my course. So, this is going to be about software repairing in mobile phones. So, if you are this person that has been looking into developing a career as a mobile software technician, this course is going to be very important for you because it will not only tell you how to approach mobile software repairing jobs, but it will also give you practical demonstrations with these exact type of funds that you are likely to face in your day-to-day activities. Right here with me, I will share my laptop screen so that you can see everything that I'll be doing, because this is going to be a practical and at the same time demonstration. So I will like it as you're moving along with me. You already have a laptop and you have a few stuffs that you are going to talk about just in a while so that you can move along with me. You can see exactly what I'm doing on my laptop screen and you copy the same thing. And the greatest thing about this is that you don't need to spend as much. You actually don't need to spend any coin as of now because you are learning and you don't need to invest a lot of money just until you see some work. Okay, so I want you to just follow along with me and I will share a few tools that you can use that are completely free so that you can follow along with me. And this should increase your learning curve by like 80%. Okay, so at the same time, I'm sharing my disk so that you'll be seeing exactly what I'm doing uh, right here. So let's get started to it right now. So once again, welcome to my complete mobile software repairing course. So this is not only for the beginners because again, it doesn't matter the level where you are. So whether you're a beginner and you have no any knowledge about software repairing, this course is going to be good for you. If you're already repairing, maybe you're repairing hardware and you want to advance your knowledge into software, this is going to be good for you. Again, if you're maybe you've been doing some few or software repairing and you want to get clear knowledge or advance your knowledge, this is going to be good for you at the same time. And it's easy, guys. I don't want you to overthink about it. And maybe you start thinking maybe you are going to be coding or maybe there's going to be some maybe Python learning. This is nothing like that. It is very easy using a few tools that like I'll be demonstrating for you here. So you'll be good to go. So right in this course, we will be talking about phone flashing, mobile phones flashing, and all different types of phones, starting from Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, iPhones. But specifically, I wanted this course to be about Android phones. Maybe later on in the future, we will talk about iPhones and iOS operating systems. So we'll also be talking about FRP unlocking. What is FRP? When is it triggered? How do you unlock it? How do you bypass it manually? And tools using different ways to bypass it. So we will also be talking about different types of unlocking because there are many types of locks that you find in these mobile phones. Some are MDM locks, some are country locks, some are KG locks, some are network locks. So all these types of locks and the unlocking process, we will be talking about them. At the same time, we will talk about how to troubleshoot different types of issues in mobile phones. So in mobile software repairing, this is not a theoretical course because that's why I've put in different cameras so that you can see exactly what I'm going to be doing. This is going to be more of a practical course where you can see what I'm doing and be able to implement it the same way and practice it on your end and see whether it works through or not. And I want you to feel free with me. I want you to interact with me. I want you to engage with me. I want you to ask questions where you don't understand. And let me just make this experience a lot more enjoying and exciting. You benefit, I benefit at the end of the day. So this is not much of talking. We shall be getting straight on the point, like hitting on the bone. Okay. So we will work with real phones that have real problems that you are likely to face in your day-to-day work. That's why I came up with many of these phones so that we can practice on them and see uh, exactly the real phones. You can see these are real phones that have real software problems. So we are going to be looking at them and trying to understand and interact with their softwares and see how things work out whether you are repairing in the actual sense. Okay. So, so just like I said, we will have practical demonstrations on every lecture, on every part that we are discussing right here with me. So basically, over this course, what are you going to learn? So you are going to learn phone flashing. Again, we talked about many brands from Samsung to itel, Infinix, Tecno. So very many, okay? Then we will talk about FRP bypass, or how you bypass this factory reset protection by Google. Okay. So again, there are so many ways that you can bypass this. You can do it manually with just the internet, or you can use different provided softwares to bypass this law. Again, in many blanks that we are going to be looking at. And then you will also learn how to unlock different types of funds. Again, different types of lots, network lots, FRP lots, country locks, KG locks, MDM locks, a lot more. Okay. So you will also learn how to boot repair. So there are a lot of boot issues. Okay. Boot ropes, all of them. So you will learn them and how to basically fix them with limited issues. So you will also learn how to driver installation. How do you install driver? Because drivers are like the communication channels between your computer and the mobile phone. So I will teach you how to deck them, how to install them, and how to actually confirm that you have installed the right drivers in your computer. Okay, so we'll talk about how to handle different firmwares. Okay, firmware like operating system of the mobile phone. Okay, so we also learn about troubleshooting deck phones. Maybe they are blacked out because of maybe an incompatible firmware uploaded in. So we will look at all that, okay? And I want by the end of each section to be able to demonstrate these practical skills that I will have shown you in that particular session. So I don't want to leave you behind in each session. I want us to do things together, right? I'm here and you're there. I'm just hoping you have your computer ready and internet. That's all that we need as for now. And I want you to follow along with me. Everything that I'm doing here, implement it on your site, and we see things move on. Okay. So if I would ask the question, what's your experience level? Where are you? How experienced are you? So does it matter in any way? I don't think. Because in this course, you don't need to have an experience. If you don't have an experience related to mobile phones, don't worry, okay? So I designed this course for beginners with zero experience in mobile phone software for phone repair technicians. So if you're already been repairing phones in hardware and you want to advance into software, this is going to be good for you because you already have a background. So again, this is for students who are looking for income skills. So if you're looking to generate some money, or maybe working in a day-to-day job, or maybe at your workshop, this is going to be good for you. So at the same time, if you are a repair shop owner, maybe you sell phones or maybe you sell accessories for the phones, this is going to be good for you, because what's exciting is that these our clients, or these people assume that we know everything. So when maybe you're selling accessories or you are just selling phones, you will see these software problems coming to you, because for them they think that you know. So this is your opportunity for you to learn and master this. And again, this is going to be for freelancers. So if you are looking maybe to work from home, or maybe work online, and maybe provide unlocking services online without needing maybe to open up a physical maintenance shop, this opportunity is going to be good for. And at the same time, for anyone willing to start a phone repair business, this is amazing. And what I've realized with software repairing, it is a young market. So trust me, jobs are still there, market is still there, and is advancing, because you know what, phones are advancing on a day-to-day basis. So I want to tell you what makes this course different. Of course, a lot of points. Number one, real phone problems. We are going to work with real phone problems. Just like I said, this is going to be a practical course where I'll be teaching you and showing you working on the phones that have real software problems. So, and at the same time, practical repair workflow. So I will be showing you step by step of how we approach these things, so that you don't end up getting confused at the end of the day. So this is going to be beginner friendly, because I walk you through, just assuming like you don't have any knowledge or you don't have any background working with these things. So I will start you from basics and uplift your skill slowly by slowly, step by step, until you get to a pro level right in this course. Cheap tools that beginners can afford, not even cheap, free tools that you can afford. Okay, because with the knowledge and the computer and the internet, you're set to go. And I will also give you some free hacks that you can use. Okay, offline repair methods, all is going to be in this course, and Android focused practical repairs. So, business tips for technicians. If you're looking into maybe starting your own repair shop or anything of that kind, the business tips, how to handle this, how to legalize it to make sure you're always in the safe hand, because some of these software repairs are illegal if you don't know it. So, how do you set yourself and be on a legal edge so that you don't face legal issues with the law? Okay, so by the end of this course, you'll be able to repair software issues on many Android phones and even start making money as technician in the shortest period given. So get your computer, like I said, get your computer, have your USB cables ready with you, and maybe a pen with a notebook, just to write down a few important points that I want you to memorize every day, everywhere. And let's get started with it right away.